Hello everybody, welcome to the second Halloween video. I'm here with a drunk baby.
Not drunk.
And I'm here with a not drunk. No,
Not
GPF. Daddy.
That's not GPF.
No,
we
it's
don't
not
know
GPF.
who GPF
GPF. We don't know who GPF. Anyway, this is also cooking with Alennah, but we're not cooking, but we do have food, and yeah, so we're excited. Well, you can eat it. Ow! I just want to take this time to thank our sponsor, Dynamize.
5 minutes later.
Anyway, Dynamize is guarana energy ice. It's really good. I love it. They also have alcoholic ones. We did not bring those, which I think is a good thing. So yeah, I'm gonna put them in the freezer now because my hands are cold. Yeah.
My child is crying.
So why is this so hard?
So you start with stabbing a circle. So when you cut the top off, you cut this part.
She actually knows how.
I've done it before. So when you have this part, you can still like put it back onto the pumpkin. That's really important. So you put that one aside.
Why are pumpkins so fucking disgusting on you?
Why are pumpkins?
Why are pumpkins? I'm gonna do that. Oh my god, I hate it. Ew, this is so gross.
That was a bad idea.
You know what it feels like?
Put your hand this side.
You know what it feels like?
Good pussy.
Good pussy, no. I'm not
Macaroni in.
Have you not seen the?
That's some web. That's some web.
No, I meant to say.
So it's important when you're carving out the pumpkin to make sure there's no seeds and no like inside goop left over. It's okay to get your hands dirty once in a while. It's okay.
Once in a while.
Get your hands dirty, baby. It's okay.
It's okay.
That's okay.
Moet ik erop slaan? Ew! Should I make a penis?
Yeah.
I'm gonna fuck this up.
No.
Did you fuck it up?
Yeah.
No, that's fixed.
Oh, it's fine. I'm trying, okay? I'm not really good at life in general.
Gang, I am back.
Are you okay? I have a slight problem. The ball, like, it was supposed to be like that. Like so. But the ball is saggy now.
Everything about
Did you just say Dynamize?
Not sponsored at all. Oh look, this actually works.
Dynamize.
obviously.
Guarana energy ice stick. Ice dick.
But I want to show my dick first. We have a baby. And then we have our autistic girlfriend who can't make anything fun. Look at them! This looks so good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
She did really
Your
well.
dick is fucking horrible.
Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. You're probably not gonna like this, but I'm asking for a like anyway because you know it helps me out. Follow these people if you like them.
Join our Patreon. She does not give you nudes, so it's actually fucking pointless.
But if you want news, join our OnlyFans.
No, I don't have an OnlyFans.
Not yet.
Not yet. No, but yeah, join my Patreon because you know YouTube isn't making me any money, obviously from the content I'm making.
And neither is Patreon.
I said that. Oh no.
Yeah, YouTube.
Oh, true.
Patreon.
Both aren't making me any money. But
Send her €1 via PayPal.
thank you, Dynamize.
What's your Alennah? Alennah.
What's your
Alennah?
What's your Alennah?
What's your PayPal? Alennah.
I don't know. I need to make one.
Oh.
I'm gonna make a PayPal.
And then you can just send her money directly for no reason.
Anyway, Dynamize, thank you for sponsoring this. I always really enjoy them. It's so gross. I invite them. Thank you, you Dynamite for sponsoring us. She just put a little in her wine.
You should make Dino wine.
Okay, so that's
Dynamite.
that's the thing now. I absolutely enjoy them, so check them out. And yeah, bye. Sorry for this.
No.
Oh man.
Hi. Yes.
Oh god. Do you love your stepmommy too?
Ik ga poepen.
Ryan is going to take a shit.
He's a party pooper because he doesn't want to carve pumpkins. Yeah, nice.
Hike.
Quite a lot more then.
Holy shit, that face was the switch.
Stop.
This is beautiful.
I am Valerie.
I think that's taken up.
Hey!
Hear what you want to hear. He's really on my eye.
Hey Chloe!
She winked.
Chloe!
Dat was echt hilarisch.
Hey!
Kom er steeds dichterbij. Nice. Surprise. Oh,
Oh!
Oh, panic.
paniek, kom.
At the disco.
That's a whole ass
Ja,
gooder.
Wat was dat ook?